Serpent in the mirror offers crowns made of rust and dusty quotes, holy words with a twist like a blade in silk. I will. Streets paved with noise, every choice dressed in light so bright. And I ride, I walk with a lamp in my chest, hidden fire. Higher, hand trembles on the fruit. Right hand reaches for the root. Melt, melt, two roads stitched in my skin. Wide grin, thin gate. I remember wild water on my head, old death dead. I breathe ancient breath, law and promise in my lungs. Unsung.